How to solve Globe One app. Oops, something went wrong. Please try again later. See you soon. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. After ensuring, go to the Play Store, tap on the search icon, and search for Globe One. Now tap on the app. Now make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen, open up your settings application. Now go to apps. Now go to app management. Now search for Globe One. Now tap on force stop. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear data. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to search the topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.